Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mr.Abdullah. Today I am going to show you how to compress any video on Android. So let's get started. At first, you need to install an application which is named by video compressor from the Play Store. After installing it, you need to open this application. Then here all of your albums are shown. Go to album. Then choose the video that you want to compress. After choosing the video, you see that option named by compress video. Click on it. Then go to custom. Then you see this 100%. We need to decrease it to 34% by moving this. So friends, it is now. So friends, it is now 34%. Then you need to click on this button. Then the video compression is started. So friends, you see that the quality is same, the 4K HD. Then we see that the size of this video. So go to your file manager. Then go to this album. No, sorry friends, sorry. Don't go here. You need to go main storage. You see option idea photo compressor or idea video compressor. You need to check in these albums. But there is no any video because I set the location to SD card. So I go to SD card. Then here is an item. So see, this video is now 18.30 MB. Play it. You can see. And now see the original size of this video. The original size of this video is 52.57 MB, but after compressing it is of only 18 MB. So friends, this is the trick that I want to share you. So friends, if you like my video, so click on thumbs up button and share my video, and click on subscribe button and then press on bell icon button. So thank you. Bye bye.